Hello everybody, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com, and this is the weekly analysis that we will look at the trade setups that I have for the upcoming week. First a review, then a look at the news, and then a look at gold, major pairs, and one minor pair. So let's jump in and get started. Looking at the pending orders that I shared with you in last week's trade setup, this is the Euro US, which we had a sell limit at 1.0715. And if you were patient, it looked like it was going the wrong way in the early part of the week, but in about midweek, it did turn good for us and finished up during Friday's session with a 100 pip profit. The odd US, very similar. Everything looked like it was going to go the wrong direction early in the week. But if you were patient and held on to this one, the odd US with a sell limit at 0.6940 ended up on the US session with 128 pips on Friday. And also the New Zealand US, the same, a sell limit for that one was at 0.6325. And then again, it turned really good on Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, finishing up with a total of 126 pips profit. And then the pound US, also midweek, turning good into profit and finishing up during the Friday session with 173 pips. So it was all overall a good week of trading, and there was no trade on gold. I did share a pending order on that one with a sell limit at 1885, but gold just went down all week long, never went up, and never did a retrace or a pullback at all, even early in the week. So the pending order on gold did not open. But all of the major currency pairs, the euro, the odd, New Zealand, and pound, did work out quite well for us. Looking at forexfactory.com, we have quite a full week of high impact news items. And there are two in particular that I would like to bring to your attention, and that is on Wednesday. We have the New Zealand economy. The central bank will be releasing their interest rate statement, and they are expected to put the interest rate up 50 basis points. So that's very likely to cause a lot of volatility with the New Zealand dollar pairs. And then the second item I'd like to bring to your attention is the FOMC meeting minutes, which is on Thursday morning, 2 a.m. in Asia, or just after midnight Wednesday. And be sure and check forexfactory.com for your local times. Be aware of all of these news items, these high impact news items, which cause a lot of volatility with the movement of currencies and commodities. These are the trade setups that I have planned for this upcoming week. And remember, as I share these with you, this is not financial advice. I am not suggesting or recommending that you take the same trades. You can, but it's up to you to use good risk management and to manage your own account. So we start off looking at the DXY, which is an index for the US dollar. It's the US dollar compared with 6 other major currencies. And what we see is that the US dollar is gaining strength. It's getting stronger, but it still hasn't got anywhere near the high that it reached last September, which was a 20-year high. But for the last 2 weeks, we've been seeing the dollar getting stronger. So what that means for us in our planning of our trades is that with a strengthening dollar, that will put pressure on gold to go down, and it will also keep the major currency pairs bearish. So let's look at the trades and see what I have planned. Starting off with a minor pair, first of all, the pound New Zealand, I have a buy limit, and the entry price is 1.9145. Pound New Zealand, a buy limit. And then we'll go up and start at the top with gold. And I have a sell limit on gold as it continues its bearish run, which we've been seeing for the last couple of weeks. I have a sell limit on gold at 1860. The entry price 1860, a sell limit on gold. The Euro US, as I said already, the major pairs are bearish against the US dollar as it gets stronger. So I have a sell limit on the Euro US with the entry price at 1.0725. The odd US, also a sell limit with the entry price at 0.6935. The New Zealand US with a sell limit at 0.6310, and the pound US with a sell limit at 1.2125. And finally, the USD CAD which of course with the strengthening of the US dollar is bullish against the Canadian dollar. So I have a buy limit on the USD CAD with the entry price at 1.3425. And remember, folks, as I went through the review already from the previous week's trade setups that I shared with you, sometimes these pending orders do not open until the middle of the week or even later in the week. So it's just a matter of setting your pending orders, watching them, monitor them, and be patient, and the orders will play out and go in our favor. So I wish you all the best with your trading week, and thanks for being here. I do appreciate it. And I will see you again next week, same time. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you like these videos, just go ahead and click like. And any comments and inquiries, leave them below this video. I do reply to all comments. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.